Minsan ba napapaisip ka, bakit kaya may mga tao na kahit aware silang hindi credible o verified ang isang balita, ay pinapaniwalaan pa rin? Aside from the lack of media literacy, confirmation bias is the root of it. Kung ano ito? Tara, usap tayo. Confirmation bias ang tawag sa tendency natin to search for, interpret, and remember information in a way that supports what we already believe, habang dead man naman sa mga evidence that contradicts those beliefs. This concept was popularized by cognitive psychologist Peter Wason in the 1960s sa pamamagitan ng isang experiment. May tatlong uri daw nito: bias attention, bias interpretation, and bias memory. We can still observe this phenomenon until now. Kaya naman yung iba, kung ano yung naitatak sa kanila, medyo hirap na silang baliin ito even 20% na with facts. Pinapalala rin kasi yan ng social media algorithm. Bakit? Kasi kung ano palagi mo kinukonsume na content, the system will flood you with similar themes. Of course, kung bias ka sa isang bagay, you'll need to feed your ego with information na magsusupport at sinasabi, tama ka. Ang kaso, hindi na lahat ng nasa media ay totoo. In this age that social media becomes accessible to everyone, we're fed with a bunch of information, whether it's legit or not. But you have the control. Customize your feed. Paging bias ka sa katotohanan. No cap, just facts.